Hi everybody. There's a vlog coming soon that you should really like that Joel's going to do another cooking tutorial. We haven't vlogged in a few days, probably a week, and I just wanted to show you it's 60 below here. And there's a video that Joel made for one of his friends that will kind of show you a little bit of the extremities here. And I've been struggling with migraines and a cold, so I look terrible. I already know that. So comment, subscribe, thumbs up the video. All of it helps us, and we'll see you soon. And we'll let you see this video that Joel made. Please enjoy.
All right, you asked for it. Here you go. Cup of boiling water, negative 50 degrees. Nice. But that's not what you came for, is it, Eric? No, you wanted something more extreme. Okay, fine. Bucket of water. Oh, I left it out here for like 10 seconds. Look at that. Completely turned to ice. That stinks. Good thing I got a second bucket. All right, if you're gonna try this kind of stuff at home, just remember the Boy Scout motto, never pee into the wind.